Hey guys, it's Makeshift. I wanted to share a new resource for mochi stuffing in the United States. I had ordered a package from HOPEN Textiles on AliExpress full of mochi stuffing for my current commission, and I thought the package got lost and I wasn't going to have the mochi stuffing I needed in time. So I did some research and found a store called HOMETEX Canada that sells through Amazon this down alternative stuffing, which means that it is not actual down, it is synthetic, so you're not harming any animals by getting this product. So at first glance, it does have some visual differences, one being these little fibers that are in the stuffing. So this is not something that you'll see in the HOPEN Textiles mochi stuffing. It doesn't have these little pieces here, but once you get it into a plushie, you really can't feel these pieces at all. The second difference is that it is more dense than the HOPEN Textiles stuffing. So the HOPEN Textiles stuffing is fluffier than this, but softness wise, it is still extremely soft. And I would say that this HOMETEX Canada stuffing is actually a little bit softer than the HOPEN Textiles stuffing. So here are the two stuffings side by side. This is the HOMETEX Canada type, and this is the HOPEN Textiles mochi stuffing. You can see how the HOPEN Textiles mochi stuffing is fluffier versus the HOMETEX Canada, which is again a bit more dense, and it also doesn't have the little flecks of fiber in it either. But I did try it out on the current plush I'm making, which I'm stuffing with mochi fabric, and once you get this in the plush, you really can't feel the difference between the HOMETEX Canada down alternative stuffing and the HOPEN brand mochi stuffing. So you might have to use a little bit more of the HOMETEX because it is more dense, and since it's not as fluffy, you might have to stuff it a bit more. The pros of the HOMETEX is that you can get it on Amazon, and I got mine in 5 days after I ordered it. The other thing is that if you buy the HOMETEX Canada stuffing in bulk, you can get it for about $8 a pound, about $41 for 5 pounds of it, which is what I did, which is cheaper per pound than the HOPEN Textiles stuffing. Although HOPEN Textiles does have sales frequently on AliExpress, and then you can use coupons on AliExpress, so you could get a good deal on the HOPEN Textiles stuffing as well. But the other problem is that the HOPEN Textile store is located in China, so it does take about a month or more to get to the States from there. So that is one big deterrent from ordering from HOPEN, whereas you'll get the HOMETEX Canada brand a lot faster. I would say overall that I prefer the HOPEN stuffing because it is less dense and it doesn't have these little individual fibers. Honestly, I'm not sure that I like it so much more as to not order from HOMETEX Canada instead. So if I'm placing an order with HOPEN Textiles, I'll probably go ahead and buy some mochi stuffing if I really need it. But otherwise, I think I'm going to be buying from HOMETEX Canada because it is cheaper, it's much closer to me, so I get it in a significantly shorter amount of time, and honestly, it's not that much different in the end. So I hope this was a helpful resource for those of you looking to buy mochi stuffing in the States instead of having to outsource it from somewhere else. Thanks for watching. See you next time.